Good afternoon, friends. This is a total presentation on Section 69 of the Income Tax Act, which deals with finding of unexplained sources of cash or gold or jewelry or any other valuable item in your books of account. If you can offer an explanation to the assessing officer of the income tax department, then the same can be accepted as a normal income and will be taxed at accordingly rates with all respective deductions. But if you cannot explain it, then it will be taxed at 60%. There is no deduction or exemption limit is applicable, and it is irrespective of the slab of income a assessee falls in. The flat rate of tax is 60%, which is discussed in a later slide. Any money that is credited to the taxpayer is eligible for taxation unless exempted. If this amount is not offered to tax by the taxpayer, they have to explain the reason for this. The entire source of cash deposit or cash lying in books of account also needs to be explained to the income tax officer. Except for capital gains, salary income, house property income, business profession income, and income from other sources are revenue in nature. Capital gains tax is at two rates of 10% and 20% with provisions for exemptions as per the investments made in the capital asset out of the sale consideration and capital gains. According to Section 69A of the Income Tax Act, if a person is found to be in possession of any money or cash, gold or jewelry or valuable article and not explained properly, then Section 69A of the Income Tax Act will be attracted and such amount will be taxed in the year of detection or the year of credit, which may be in the same year by the income tax. The rates of taxation as per income tax on such amount is basic tax 60% plus surcharge 25% plus penalty 6%. It is treated as income in the year in which it is received and taxed at the above mentioned rates, which totals to almost 83.25%, and there is no exemption also. The flat rate of 60% applicable on such amount is as per section 115 BBE. After applying surcharge and cess, the maximum effective rate is as high as 83.25 to 83.5%. A penalty of separate 10% is also levied if the income is not self-declared by the assessee in the return of income. Again, kindly note, no deduction or allowance is allowed and no loss can be set off against such unexplained cash credit. The 6% penalty is not levied if unexplained cash is already included in your return of income and tax is paid on or before the end of the relevant financial year. So friends, contact me in case you have queries. The mail ID, the website, the phone numbers are already given, and I'm also associated with two other companies and I'm on their board, which is a purely advisory and management consultancy company, which I will cover in my next slide or my next YouTube video. Have a nice day and nice week ahead, dear friends, and contact me via mail in case of queries.